Hello, my pretties, and welcome back to Witching Around with Leslie. Thank you so much for being here. As you can tell, we are doing a skincare. I'm in my kind of like a mini spa day, shall we call it? I got my robe on. I got my hair pulled back. I've got my my eye mask on. We're gonna do a Revlon Influenster unboxing. It is skincare. I do know that. That's all I really know about it just yet. And I'm pretty excited because I need to concentrate on my skincare. I know if you're anything like me, you get busy, you have a family, and it's just sometimes hard to include everything that you need to do for yourself and your well-being when you're trying to take care of other people too, you know? So, yeah, let's take care of ourselves today. Let's get started. Before we do, go ahead and subscribe, hit the bell, comment, like, tell me about your favorite skincare products, anything you can recommend to me. I appreciate. I would just love to hear from you in general. So let's do this. I have not opened the box, so I don't know what it is. I did receive this free from Influenster, mind you. Okay, and here it is. It is the Revlon Skin Reviving Roller, Real Rose Quartz Roller Revives Skin. Awesome. There it is, and it has the roller and a refill. Cool. So let's go ahead and read a little bit about this product. It does tell a little bit about it on the back, but I'm going to go to the site and get more information about it, about this particular product. This is awesome. It uses real rose quartz. Okay, so I did put it up on the Revlon site, and retail goes for about $13.49. It says revive your skin with real rose quartz. Revlon Skin Reviving Roller instantly depuffs, cools, and revives skin. Use it when applying serums and moisturizers as part of your daily skincare routine, or take it on the go. This compact roller is portable and is great for an instant skin pick-me-up anytime, anywhere. This roller is also suitable for sensitive skin. Awesome. Oh my god. I'm all about the crystals and such. As you can see, all of my witchy stuff. So yes, I love the fact that it has a crystal in it. That is too sweet. That's awesome. Remove cap and gently roll rose quartz stone under eyes, along T-zone, forehead, and any other area on the face where reviving and depuffing is desired. I'm not sure if you understand the importance or what the whole rose quartz thing has to do with it, but it's believed that rose quartz helps in diminishing the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles, brightening skin tone by increasing lymphatic drainage, reducing blood vessels, and minimizing the appearance of pores, boosting blood circulation. Other people have said that it can potentially help improve the appearance of overall tone and elasticity because of the way it massages your skin as you slide it over your face. Overall use of a crystal roller can potentially help promote healthier, more radiant, and firmer skin. Sounds like everything I am looking for. How about you? It's considered the emotional healing crystal and said to be the best option when it comes to softening fine lines and wrinkles. It's also believed to reduce the signs of emotional stress in the face, improved blood circulation, and help reduce under eye circles. I don't know about you, but I am all about anything that's reducing stress anywhere on my body. Okay, so let's open this up and we can get it out of here. Okay, so it's small, so that could be portable if you travel a lot or something. I'm gonna go ahead and, ooh, that does feel smooth. We'll go ahead and clean this off. Ooh, it feels cool. It's like almost cold on the skin. It feels good on the skin, actually. I can imagine. Let's try it with some product. This one is a glow recipe. And put it right here. Apply it on here, and just apply some right here. right here. Heck, why don't we just do the whole face? Right there. Okay. Spread it pretty well, actually. I didn't have any product on before doing this. Here. I need moisture in my life. I need to hydrate. Okay, so, I mean, it feels pretty good. I'll keep trying it too, see if I notice a difference after some time. But I really do like the idea of rubbing crystal on my face. I'm on the nose. Gotta share the love with the nose, right? It got pretty warm from rubbing on my skin, which is as expected. And crystal and rose quartz is one of the ones that is safe to have liquids on it. Some crystals you cannot have even in water, but rose quartz is one of the ones that is safe. Okay, it comes with this little carrying case too. And so it's a Revlon facial roller refill recharge. It's a real volcanic stone and stainless steel ball refills. Oh, so it has the steel one, the stainless steel one, and then it has the volcanic stone. I've seen this, so that's pretty cool. It's like a 2-in-1 then. Not bad. So my overall opinion about this so far is I really like the idea of the quartz, and it makes me happy to be using quartz on myself. So I feel kind of the witchy aesthetic going in with my skincare also. I don't know, I'm kind of liking it. I don't know if I'd ever be like, let me buy that for my face. But now that I have it, I'm really liking it. You notice the difference, guys? Do I look about 10 years younger? Yeah, I'm not expecting that much. It's a decent price. It's affordable. So I mean, I like it. Makes me happy. And although it may not be something that I would run out and rush out to buy or rush out and order, I do like it, and it makes me happy. I love that it's crystal, and I love that they also have the volcanic one too. So I think that this is a treat. I'm happy with this product that I received. I mean, it's free. What can I say? You know, come on. I'm blessed and happy to receive anything from anybody. So I do appreciate it. And I thank the universe that I received this. Would I recommend it? Sure. It doesn't. I like it. I like it. If you're into crystals, especially, then it's even more a big plus. So, thank you, Revlon, and thank you, Influenster. I appreciate it. And that is my review on this product. I will. You know what? I think I'm gonna keep using it and do an update later, but so far so good. Thank you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. Have a wonderful day. Bye.